Hi, this video is the third in the series for AutomationEdge Custom Reports. We will create templates for sales revenue by product and sales revenue by month and publish them on the dashboard. In this video, we will create templates with structured queries. We will introduce pie chart and color codes in this video. Let us begin. I'm in the AutomationEdge UI. Let me create the first template for sales revenue by product. Provide a template name. Sales revenue by product. Provide a description. Sales revenue by product with a pie chart. Select the data source. In the custom report data source, we will use a sales revenue table with information about sales type, region, product, and month-wise sales. If you want to filter by workflow, you can select an associated workflow. But since the custom data does not have any workflow information, I will leave it blank. Let me add a report query. It is a structured query, hence query string is null. Before I come to projections, let us go to the from clause. I'm selecting from the sales revenue table and the alias is SR. The where clause is mandatory, hence I have provided the sale type in PS and license, which covers the entire data set. I'm grouping by region and provide the order by clause. The need summary is true. It is mandatory to put need summary true if you need a pie chart, because the pie chart is built only on the summary information. Now let us look at the projections. I have added a column region, a column product, and the sum of sales by region and product. Now notice that I have a column region. It is necessary to have this column as I need a pie chart of sales by product, and the product sales should be available as a summary information. So region will be at the outer level and the summary information will be available at the product level. Validate your JSON. You can view the query. Let us do the chart configuration. Now I want a pie chart. So in the plot against label, I should have the product. In the x-axis, I will put the region. In the y-axis, let me put the sales. And in the plot against, let me put product. Now region is non-numeric, sales is numeric. You can create the template. So the template is visible. Now let us go to the dashboard. Select your sales dashboard. Let me add report. Let me select sales revenue by product. I do not wish to apply any workflow ID related filters, so leave it blank. In the page size, select a value, and the duration is picked from the dashboard. Let me generate the report. Now you can see that data is available for sales by region. So this is the APAC region, where you see the sales for Cognibot, DocEdge, and AutomationEdge products. Similarly for the ROW region and for the US region. And notice the summary is available for Cognibot, DocEdge, and AutomationEdge, which is mandatory for a pie chart. So let us see a pie chart. So you can see the DocEdge total revenue. The pie chart shows the percentage contribution of product-wise sales. If you hover over the pie, it shows the product name and the actual sales revenue. Let us add it as a chart. So sales revenue by product is now available on the dashboard. Let us now build a template and tabular report for sales revenue by month with color codes. On the AutomationEdge UI, under the templates menu, click to add new template. Provide a template name, sales revenue by month with color code. In the data source, select custom report. We will use the table sales revenue containing information of sales revenue by sales type, region, product, and month. We do not wish to filter by workflow, hence leave the associated workflow blank. In the report query, I will add the JSON for a structured query. Let us view the contents. Being a structured query, the query string is null. Before we come to projections, let us see the from clause. We are selecting from sales revenue table and we've given an alias SR. The where clause includes all the sales types, that is PS and license. We will group by month and order by the month. In this case, you can add a summary, but in this case, I will keep it false. Also, I do not want to drill down, hence the inner query column name is null. Similarly, date, workflow ID, tenant ID, and user ID parameters are null, as I do not want to filter. Now, for projections, the first projection is for month. The next is the sales, and the aggregate function is sum of sales by month. In this report, I'm introducing color codes. So you can provide color code by values, which can be numeric or non-numeric. Now, in case of sales, we will provide color codes by numeric value. So sales from 0 to 300,000, we want it to be colored red. And in the icon, you can provide icons from Font Awesome .com. Provide the class value within quotes as the icon here. So for 0 to 300,000, the color is red, and I have chosen the icon battery empty. For 300,000, 1 to 500,000, I want it to be of orange color, and I have chosen an icon battery half. And for 500,000, 1 to 1 million, I want the color green and the icon battery full. Validate the JSON. You can view the query. Now we do not want a chart configuration, so let us create. The template is available. Now let us go to dashboard. Let us select the sales dashboard. I want to add a report. Choose the sales revenue by month. Leave the select workflows blank, as I do not want to filter by any workflow. Provide a page size, and the duration is picked from the dashboard duration. Generate. Now this is the tabular report showing month in alphabetical order and the sales with color codes as described. So it shows orange, red and green values depending on the range. You can add it as a table to the dashboard. So you can now see 5 reports on the dashboard, and with each report we learned some new feature. We created custom reports for sales by product and sales by month. Thank you for watching.